You know that when you go to a hotel, to a restaurant, to anything like that, you have waiters that handle the wine, which could be problematic because of yain nesech. If they handle the bottle while it's open, it's a problem. So therefore, one needs to know when you're allowed to drink the wine, when you're not allowed. We're dealing with wine that is considered eno mevushal. It's not cooked. If it's cooked, there's leniencies. If it's not cooked, it's problematic. So therefore, what do you do? What do you do when you have such wine? You have the waiter coming in, and he has a bottle of wine that he puts on the table. He wants to pour for you. If the bottle is open means completely open. The cover is not there. If the cover is still on top, even though it's not sealed, but the cover is still on top, and he never opened it, then it's permitted, because yain nesech is only problematic when the cover is off. Otherwise, we don't have an issue with that. Rav Elyashiv says that you don't have to worry that he did two things. First, that he opened the cover, and secondly, that he shook it. That's when it becomes asur. So that much you don't have to worry. But once it's open and you want him to pour for you, he offers to pour for you, that becomes problematic. The wine that he poured for you, you're not allowed to drink. It's yain nesech, it's asur. Secondly, many times they put a bottle on the table. You're in a wedding, let's say. They put on every table a bottle of wine. But you don't have the wine opener. So you ask the goy to open for you the wine. It's another problem. You're not allowed to do that, because once he opens the wine inside becomes asur. So the only way to handle that, if you don't have a wine opener, and the bottle again is yain she'eno mevushal, is to ask him to take the opener and open it yourself. You don't have to worry that the opener is not kosher. That much you don't have to worry. Even some think that there's a chashash maybe that the opener needs to go to the mikveh. You don't have to worry about that for two reasons. First of all, it doesn't touch the food itself, so it's not something that requires to go to a mikveh. Secondly, because if it belongs to the goy, such a thing doesn't require to be dipped in a mikveh. But those are quick few halachot that one needs to pay attention when you are in a restaurant, in a wedding, that you be very careful that such things don't happen while you are planning to drink the wine. Thank you.